covering the villages for you. TK Cross and the VNN News Team.
On today's Lifestyle Show, veteran groups getting together to help others, and Operation Christmas is in full swing. Hi everyone, I'm Mark Economo. TK is off. Well, during the holiday season, veterans groups from across the villages lend a helping hand in collecting food and making baskets for local food banks.
This is our holiday food box program. We work with two local schools, Carver Middle School in Leesburg and the village's elementary school right up on Rolling Acres. The school tells us how many families they have that really are in need and probably won't have Thanksgiving. So they give us a number, we put together the boxes, and then they come and pick them up. We have no idea who the families are or who the children are, and we don't need to know that. We just know that the need grows every year. All 50 families get a huge, medium-sized box full of all kinds of goodies, a complete Thanksgiving dinner with a lot of extras. We want to make sure that the kids have the staples that they need while they're out of school. We've got about 16 members, which is really a lot, but this is a popular event and everybody really likes it. So these ladies, I think, will be through by 11:30. It doesn't take them long. They come in and, I mean, we've got a pretty well-oiled machine here. We know we make Thanksgiving for 50 families. They wouldn't have it otherwise, and the kids would be hungry all week while school is closed. So we feel good about that. We work with a local Winn-Dixie. We work a lot with Sam's and even Walmart this year. So it really took the 3 stores. My favorite part of this whole deal is when the schools come and pick up the stuff on tomorrow morning. And they come with their entourage, and they're just so overwhelmed at all the stuff they're getting and how happy their kids are going to be. And so that makes it for me. And this is actually a family event. The auxiliary coordinates this, but we do it on behalf of every part of the family, the Legion, the Sons, and the Riders. Everybody kicks in some money. This is a great cause, and we're happy to have the support of our members. I come into the office, and almost every day I leave with more bags of food that people are donating. So it really piles up, and we're happy to have the support. I guess it's be careful what you ask for in the villages because you get it. I think it makes the holiday. It gives the parent a little bit of peace that they're going to have a dinner, and that while the kids are home, they've got plenty of stuff to eat. So I think it gives them a sense of peace, and I hope the message that I would like for the kids to get is that, you know what, in this day and age, it really does take a village, and there are people out there willing to help, and I hope that you all remember this and pay it forward.
The Legion has been helping the community in this way for over 20 years. As the holiday season quickly approaches, Operation Christmas Child is working hard to make sure less fortunate children have a gift to open on Christmas. Operation Christmas is a project of Samaritan's Purse that started in the early 1990s to provide children around the world with shoe boxes filled with small toys, hygiene items, and supplies for school. In October, volunteers packed the 200,000th shoe box and over 11,000 shoe boxes over 3 days. To learn how to pack a shoebox or find the nearest drop-off location, visit SamaritanPurse.org, or you can also virtually pack and purchase a shoebox online. Up next, how to get help to enroll in Medicare. But first, look at the weather in the villages for the next 5 days.
Here's your VNN 5-day weather. Stay with us. More Villages Lifestyle News is coming up right after this on VNN.
Renewal by Andersen Acclaim Impact replacement windows are subject to rigorous testing. Like this, and this, and this. You can count on Acclaim Impact replacement windows exclusively from Renewal by Andersen. Act now for big savings, 20% off your window and patio door replacement project, plus 0 down, 0 payments, 0 interest for 18 months. Schedule your free consultation today.
Americanos in Spanish Springs invites you to experience a staff of fun yet caring restaurant professionals offering exceptional quality in food and service with a Greek feel and phenomenal menu, a sensational bar, and fun atmosphere. Americanos is the perfect place for lunch, dinner, pre- or post-concert meals, or football. Or just hang out and enjoy the specialty cocktails and great pricing. Americanos, Spanish Springs. Be part of the fun.
Having health insurance that meets our health and budget needs is important, especially as we age. For villagers who have Medicare or have loved ones who are eligible, right now is an important decision time. During the annual enrollment period through December 7th, individuals eligible for Medicare can choose a Medicare Advantage or prescription drug plan for 2025. Caroline Coates, Humana Florida Medicare President, is here today to tell us more about Medicare Advantage. Caroline, thanks so much for being here today. We really appreciate it. A lot going on with Medicare.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here. Medicare Advantage plans are health insurance plans for individuals aged 65 and older or those who are eligible because of a qualifying disability. They cover medical bills, doctor visits like original Medicare, but may also offer other benefits that cover prescription drugs and even extra benefits that cover perhaps dental, vision, or hearing. With Medicare Advantage, we ensure all of your covered medical expenses, including your doctor visits and necessary emergency care, will never go above a maximum out-of-pocket amount, which you will know beforehand.
So Caroline, are there a lot of big changes going on with Medicare this year?
Well, changes do happen each year, which is why it's important to know what might be different with your plan from one year to the next. We don't want anyone to be surprised by any unexpected expense. This year, there are changes that the federal Medicare policy put in place that will reduce your out-of-pocket maximum for prescription drugs, which is great news for our members who rely on costly medications to manage their health conditions.
One of the biggest concerns with Medicare Advantage is that members are limited to the carrier's network of providers if they want to avoid out-of-network charges. Is this right?
That's such an important consideration, and it does vary from plan to plan. You should always check to see if your preferred doctors are part of the network when you're deciding on a plan. Humana does have Medicare Advantage options for those who want flexibility with their network. With our full access plans, you can visit any doctor in the United States without needing a referral, and you pay the same network copays for doctor and dentist visits, even if they are out of network.
If you'd like more, visit humana.com/Medicare Basics.
The deadline for Medicare open enrollment for 2025 is fast approaching, but there is help here in the Villages for you. The deadline is Saturday, December 7th, and to help people navigate the process, SHINE, the Serving Health Insurance Needs of Elders programs, has volunteers to help. The free, unbiased advice on the plans and options is available at various locations across the Villages. Medicare Advantage plans exist in the local market, but subscribers will want to check the plans to ensure their physicians' networks is included. SHINE counselors are trained on a continuing basis to assist enrollees with no cost on one-on-one consultation. Help is available at the following locations: on Tuesdays from 9 until 11:30 until December 10th at Lake Meona Recreation, 9 until 11:30 Wednesdays through December 4th at Eisenhower Recreation, and 3 until 5:30 on Fridays through December 6th at Chula Vista Recreation. For more information and a complete timeline, visit floridashine.org. Local food pantries are going into all-hands-on-deck mode as the holidays quickly approach. The goal is to ensure they will be able to provide local families in need with enough to fill their tables and are asking the public for help with donations of food items. In Florida, an average of 12% of households were food insecure from 2021 to 23. That's up 10% in the previous 3-year period. Donations of non-perishable food can be made Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 8:30 until 11 a.m. at the Wildwood Food Pantry, located behind Wildwood United Methodist Church. Checks can also be made out to Wildwood Food Pantry and mailed to the address on your screen. Coming up, raising awareness about manatees. But first, to keep the facilities in the villages well maintained, here are some temporary closures to help you plan your week.
I'm Daria here with your Recreation Roundup. November starts the return of our outdoor movie series. First up, The Lost City at Saddlebrook Softball Complex on Thursday, November 21st at 6:30 p.m. Register and have a chance to win the movie night giveaway. As a friendly reminder, please always carry your original hard copy Villages ID or a guest ID with a photo ID. Only original copies of ID cards are accepted at the recreation centers. All rules and regulations posted in the recreation facilities should be followed at all times.
The number one cause of hearing aid failure, moisture, right? Especially here in Florida, right? Humidity, sweat, active lifestyles, moisture can destroy a hearing aid. There's some wonderful technology available here in our offices now where it takes just a few minutes. We put your hearing aids in this box, right, that heats them up a little bit and it evaporates moisture. We pull out a ton of liquid from these hearing aids. We've had people jump in their pool, come in with a dead hearing aid, and 8 minutes later, it's working just fine. So I'd like to encourage folks to take advantage of this service that we have exclusively at our offices for their hearing aid care. We also have a home unit that, let's say you travel and you want to have that same technology, you can take it with you.
This golf cart means Gold Key Roofing is in the neighborhood. We just completed this roof for Gary. How do you think we did?
I tell you, I love my new roof. You did a fantastic job. I hated the thought of having to replace my roof, but I'll tell you, it turned out better than I could have expected.
Gold Key Roofing is proud to serve this community and countless others. Thank you, Gary, for trusting us with your home. When you see this golf cart, it's not an accident. Another client is getting a roof from Gold Key Roofing.
Bringing healthcare home to you at ubitelehealth.com. Your new partner in specialized healthcare is here with more than 200 physicians ready to help you today. We're a physician-owned and physician-operated healthcare destination. In minutes, you can connect with one of our board-certified physicians confidentially in the palm of your hand. No more waiting for appointments, no more traveling to the office. This is your healthcare when you need it. Your health, our priority. ubitelehealth.com. Healthcare at your fingertips.
Dreaming of your next cruise getaway? It's closer than you think. From nearby Florida ports to thrilling destinations in the Caribbean, Alaska, Europe, and even river cruises, the travel experts at Cruises Only have your perfect voyage waiting. And here's the best part. Villages residents receive a free booking bonus on most cruises, combinable with cruise lines' nationally advertised offers. Don't wait. Visit cruisesonly.com/villages to claim your free bonus and book your dream cruise today.
From the Village's Daily Sun Sports Department, here's Stephen Heineman with your VNN Sports Shorts.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another local edition of VNN Sports Shorts. I'm Stephen Heineman, and I'm delighted to say I actually had to wear long sleeves this past weekend. We've got another cold snap headed this way, so you know what that means. It's time to get outside and get active. Let's take a look at what we've got going on. The Ladies Cup Pickleball Tournament is this week at Rohan Recreation Center. It runs for 3 days, November 19th, 21st, and 22nd, and there will be players of all levels on the court. Go out there and cheer on your local competitors. This Friday at Shallow Creek Golf Club down in Middleton, there will be the 17th annual Villages Pro Shootout. The tournament has a unique and exciting format. Each local PGA professional tees off on the first hole, and they go hole by hole, eliminating the highest score. The numbers dwindle until there's only one remaining. Go catch all the action down there this Friday at noon. This long fall season for the Villages Recreation Softball Leagues is nearing a conclusion. Next week on Black Friday, there will be a Thanksgiving tournament, the Turkey Bowl, at Saddlebrook Recreation Complex. Division I will be in action, and the game should carry through most of the day. Grab a beverage and watch some games if you've got free time. And if that putter isn't putting the ball in the hole and you think you need a new one, there will be a Ladies Golf Expo hosted at Lopez Legacy Country Club on Saturday, December 7th. It will run from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Admission is free, and there will be retailers, hometown businesses, golf club demos, and special event pricing. Check that out. As always, I'd like to thank you for joining me here for a local rundown on VNN Sports Shorts. I'm Stephen Heineman, and I hope to see you all again soon.
November started Manatee Awareness Month, which runs through March. This is the 45th year for the Awareness Month, which was designated by former Florida Governor Bob Graham in 1979. It was to recognize and honor the sea cows. During the winter season, hundreds of the gentle giants make their way into Florida's natural springs or power plant outflows as a way to keep warm. See, manatees cannot be in water colder than 68 degrees. While they have no natural predators, they face threats from boat collisions, entanglements with fishing lines, and loss of habitat. For more information about manatees and resources, visit SaveTheManatee.org. We'll be back with more from Florida's friendliest hometown.
Stay with us. More Villages lifestyle news is coming up right after this on VNN.
Toyota Thought is on at DeLuca Toyota in Ocala. Get the season's best prices on every new and pre-owned vehicle on the lot. Drive new DeLuca Toyotas for just $227 per month. That's right, only $227 per month. Get zero down, low 1.9% financing, and no payments for 90 days. Plus $1,000 holiday bonus cash. From our family to yours, Toyota makes the car, DeLuca makes the difference.
As Americans, our freedom is guaranteed. But what about your financial freedom? I'm Jeff Jr., founder and CEO of Trajan Wealth. As a U.S. Marine, I learned exactly what it means to put others first. And I founded Trajan Wealth on that same principle. That's why it's my mission to make sure your retirement is built for your future. Right now, receive up to a 30% upfront bonus or up to 12% growth for your retirement income. Call Trajan Wealth today.
You want to enjoy your home, we know. To live well is to eat well. Doc's Restorations knows you want a beautiful kitchen to enjoy your favorite meals with your family. Licensed, bonded, and insured, we can make it happen. Bathroom? We work with trusted brands and American-made materials for a squeaky clean result. Family owned and operated for over 14 years, experienced craftsmen and design consultants. We stand on it. We'll make you look like a million. It's up to you what you tell your neighbors. And much more. So relax. Doc's Restorations will take care of it all for you. One company, one source, one solution.
This is VNN.
Well, rodeo fans, get ready to saddle up. The dust will be flying and the crowd cheering as the Professional Rodeo Cowboys Association heads to the Sumter County Fairgrounds. The rodeo includes trick riding, saddle riding, steer wrestling, bull riding, and barrel racing. The rodeo is November 22nd and 23rd, starting at 7:30. For more information, visit the website on your screen. Coming up, a look at your village's lifestyle concerts, events, and entertainment on the squares.
Stay with us. More Village's lifestyle news is coming up right after this on VNN.
Spartan Vacations, a premier travel concierge service.
Traveling sometimes isn't about the price, it's about the experience. Once you become a member, you get a one number. It's a one-stop shop. That's it. That's all you need for everything you do. You can focus on what you're going to do on your trip, not putting together the trip. We've had people that are on their anniversary, and they'll call us and they'll have roses and flowers put in the room prior to getting there. We're talking about that kind of service, a very, very elite service for the average person. Please come down and check us out. We offer a buffet every day. We're here pretty much 5 days a week. Come down and see what we have to offer. It won't be anything high pressure. Just come down and enjoy yourselves. See if there's something that fits your bucket list trip when you start to think about going on that one trip with your spouse or by yourself that's going to leave memories for the rest of your life.
Let Spartan Vacations show you a better way to travel. Join us for an exclusive fun-filled seminar today. Spots fill quickly. Call 1-800-915-5291 to make a reservation.
Summer may be over, but at Kart World, the savings are hotter than ever. All 2024 club cars must go. Buy now and receive bonus discounts up to $2,500. Available in 2, 4, and 6 passenger with gas, electric, or lithium power. Kart World has a car for you. Don't miss out on these savings. Kart World, Club Cars award-winning dealer for over 35 years. Conveniently located at Lady Lake on Highway 27, 441, just south of the new PGA Superstore. Drive a little, save a lot.
Stop chasing rates and start earning more with Raisin, the free online savings platform that Forbes calls one of the best places to stash your cash. It's easy to find, fund, and manage high-yield savings accounts and CDs offered by federally insured banks and credit unions. Move your money between accounts with ease and secure some of the best interest rates available in just a few clicks. All from a single Raisin login. Raisin, a simpler way to secure your savings.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Time now for the Village's Entertainment Beat.
I'm Natalie, here with your Entertainment Beat. If you weren't able to make it out to Electric Light Party last week, there are several more ways you can enjoy festivals with the Village's entertainment. The tree festivals are starting up soon, and you can start marking those off your calendar on November 30th with the Lake Sumter Landing Tree Festival. Then mosey on over to Brownwood Paddock Square on December 4th for their tree lighting. And finally head up to Spanish Springs, where we will light the final square tree on December 6th. Cruise In is always on the third Saturday of the month, and December brings a special edition with the Sumter County Toy Drive, where you can bring new unwrapped toys benefiting children in the Tri-County area December 21st. Scooter's Christmas Pajama Bash is bringing your favorite Christmas activities to Brownwood December 22nd with music, dancing, pajama contests, and more. And don't forget about the menorah lightings, the first on December 29th at Brownwood and the second one December 30th at Spanish Springs Town Square. You can find more information online at thevillagesentertainment.com, at a physical box office location, or over the phone. That's your beat, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks, Natalie. The Villages is the place to be when it comes to great musical entertainment, and these are the bands scheduled to perform for you on Wednesday night on the Squares. Brought to you by the Villages Entertainment and your Villages soundtrack, WVLG. Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Join us again tomorrow for another lifestyle show. Be sure to pick up a copy of today's Daily Sun and tune your radio into WVLG. And make sure to keep enjoying that active Villages lifestyle. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching your VNN Lifestyle News Show.
Your Community Connection on VNN. Did you know that whether you're looking to try something new or rediscover a passion, there are plenty of great activities in the Villages, Florida's friendliest hometown. We have activities designed to keep you healthy. Check out one of the many aerobics classes available to all Villages residents and guests. From step aerobics to water aerobics to basics, you'll find an aerobics class just for you. With over 3,000 resident social clubs in our community, you're sure to find others that share your interests and passions. There's something for everyone in the Villages. You can find activity schedules in the Villages Recreation and Park section every Thursday in the Villages Daily Sun. And now you know. To learn more, go to thevillages.com.
As a medical doctor, I've been involved in Alzheimer's research for almost 25 years. Everyone experiences a slight amount of memory loss as we age. That is absolutely normal. However, in some people, the memory loss continues to get worse. The good news is that most people that think they have a memory problem actually just have normal memory loss related to aging. If you would like to learn more, I would highly encourage you to attend one of my free weekly seminars. We cover topics such as what is the difference between dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and are there things I can do to make my brain more resistant to Alzheimer's disease? Please call our office today for a simple 30-minute free memory evaluation. We'll walk you through the steps, including testing your memory to even see if there's a problem. You may be invited to partake in our clinical research. Through clinical research, we are searching for new medications that may help slow the progression of this disease.
When you visit Cody's, you're walking into a great bar with fantastic drink options, including 2-for-1 happy hour, and a very cool place to eat with great food and phenomenal service.
I love the BOGO fajitas every Wednesday, and we love coming here and feel like family.
Just like family, with loads of smiles for you at Cody's Original Roadhouse in Brownwood and Lake Sumter Landing.
When cleaning your air ducts, it's important to clean the entire system. An air duct cleaning from Stanley Steamer removes pounds of trapped dirt, dust, and allergens from your home completely. The cleaning improves your home's indoor air quality, keeps your home cleaner longer, and can even improve the efficiency of your HVAC system. We want you to have the cleanest and healthiest indoor air possible, so call for a free inspection today.
Stanley Steamer gets your home cleaner.
You love the sunshine.
The sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine.
It makes you happy.
So happy because I'm happy. Clap along.
You love great music. It makes you smile.
You make me smile. Make me smile. Just to see you smile.
Your Village's soundtrack, WVLG.